Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I am answering one of your questions. Many thanks for all the comments on my YouTube channel. I'm actually amazed from the level of understanding and the level of my subscribers. I'm really happy that I have you here with the questions and stuff discussing about Facebook ads, which is something that we all love to do. So the next message is from Christoph Zdandera, I guess. Hello, I've been using your method for 3 weeks. It really works. I have only one question. There are days when I notice that an algorithm throws more money into an ad set that makes the least money on the day. For example, the algorithm takes up to 50% of my budget for malfunctioning ad set. Why is this happening? So, let me explain some things. First of all, thank you for your comment. Second thing is that when we are doing CBO campaigns with the way that I showed you, the reason that we are actually having several ad sets is because we don't have 100% trust on the algorithm and what it's going to do. So this is why we're doing our optimization process that I'm explaining on the videos. And this is the reason that we are closing ad sets that they are overspending or that they are not within our KPIs. On top of that, you need to keep in your mind that Facebook is not a stable platform. There are good days and there are bad days. You need to watch the average of the last 7 days. On top of that, you need to know that for United States, we have a delayed reporting up to 72 hours. On Europe, the delayed, and in other areas, the delayed reporting is 24 hours. So you might see something, but you need to also evaluate what is happening in terms of checkouts. For example, if you have a lot of initiate checkouts, but you don't have a purchase, maybe the purchases are going to come later with the delayed reporting. So you might have this ad set that is overspending, but you should not interfere immediately with it. You should watch and you should be able to know optimization very well in order to do it. Because the way that we are doing ads and the way that I'm showing you ads, it doesn't mean that it's easy. Okay, this is not an easy blueprint to follow. This is a philosophy and this is all about learning how to do optimization properly. This is the only way for you to be able to actually do ads in the same level as I do. So just to recap over here, when we're doing ad sets with CBO campaigns with several ad sets, we don't just do one ad because we think that this is too risky. And this is the reason that you are mentioning, because if for some reason this one ad set doesn't work, we are just going to spend our money and we cannot change anything. But when you do a CBO campaign with several ad sets and you distribute the budget, even if you have this bad ad set, you can go and you can close it. If you take into consideration the things that I told you, the delayed reporting and also the fact that that Facebook is not a stable platform and you should watch the average of the last 7 days. You need to understand that dynamic ads and also the ads are working like this. They are working initially based on the engagement. If for some reason you are having a bad engagement or several comments in one of your ads, but this is not being translated in purchases, Facebook thinks that this ad is actually trending. This is the way that the ads are working initially. It's going to give more budget there because if you have a share, a comment and stuff and people, for example, let's say that two friends are meeting below your ad and they're just having a conversation about it, but they're not clicking to buy. That means that Facebook is seeing that this ad is having a lot of comments, so a lot of engagement, so it's going to spend more money to it. This is one reason that you might see that in one day it's overspending. So keep in your mind that there are several factors, but this is the reason that I have my optimization process in order for us to be safe and for us to be able to close these bad ad sets so that we're not going to have bad results in the last 7 days average results. I hope that this helped you. I already answered, but in text it's much more difficult, I guess. I hope that I answered your question. Thank you very much for watching the channel and interacting and putting your comment there. Until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.